Be quick, sailor!
What happened?
She left her binoculars on the hook in the chapel tent.
Just leave them!
We can't! It's her magic power!
Killed her dog, by the way.
Snoopy?
Mm-hmm.
Well, it couldn't be helped.
Why do you consider me your enemy?
Because your girlfriend stabbed me in the back with lefty scissors.
She's my wife now.
Congratulations.
Thank you, but I'm saying before that, 6 weeks ago, from day one. Why don't you like me?
Why should I? Nobody else does. He's here! The fugitive! Stop him!
On the spot, I'll fight no more forever.
Come and get me, you bastards!
I'm okay. Follow me.
Captain Shot, we've located the missing troop. They just fled camp. We're in pursuit. They were accompanied by a 12-year-old girl in knee socks and Sunday school shoes.
Stand by, Commander Pierce. Jed, reroute to St. Jack Wood. Tell social services the boys at Fort Lebanon.
Roger that. We'll comply.
Notify the bishop. Susie's there. Randy, you monitoring?
Affirmative! I'm on my way!
Hello, Mr. Bishop?
Oh, dear God. Get the boys!
Let's go! Right now!
Tower Control, this is Jed. Confirm coordinates for new destination, Alpha 22715er. Looking pretty soupy up here. Wouldn't mind setting down before the pot boils over. Hang on, social services.
Once again, stormwaters have just reached the dam at Black Beacon Reservoir. A flash flood alert is in effect. Take immediate precautions.
That's coming our way.
Did you find them? Prepare to mobilize to higher ground. St. Jack Church is the designated storm shelter. Notify all scouts to muster outside my tent on the double.